Calcium plays a vital role in keeping your bones and teeth strong, supporting muscle function, aiding nerve signaling, and promoting heart health. It is crucial for individuals who follow vegan or vegetarian diets to incorporate foods that are high in calcium in order to meet their daily requirements. In this video, we will be giving you a list of 5 plant-based foods that are rich in calcium. Let's get started. 1. Leafy greens, kale, collard greens, and turnip greens. Leafy greens are among the best plant-based sources of calcium. Kale, collard greens, and turnip greens are especially rich in this mineral. 1 cup of cooked collard greens provides around 268 milligrams of calcium, which is about 27% of the recommended daily intake for most adults. Kale and turnip greens also offer substantial amounts of calcium, along with vitamins A, C, and K, and antioxidants that promote overall health. To maximize calcium absorption from leafy greens, it's important to note that some contain oxalates, which can bind to calcium and reduce its absorption. However, cooking these greens can reduce their oxalate content, making calcium more bioavailable. Including a variety of greens in your diet ensures a broad spectrum of nutrients and can help you reach your calcium goals. Add leafy greens to smoothies, salads, soups, or sauté them as a side dish. For example, a kale and collard greens stir-fry with garlic and olive oil makes a delicious and nutrient-dense side. 2. Fortified plant milk and juices. Plant milk and juices that are fortified with calcium can be a convenient option for vegans and vegetarians. Several varieties of almond milk, soy milk, rice milk, and orange juice contain added calcium and vitamin D to provide a similar or higher amount of these nutrients compared to cow's milk. A serving of fortified plant milk, typically around 8 ounces, can provide approximately 300 to 500 mg of calcium, which can cover up to 50% of the recommended daily intake. Incorporate fortified plant milk into your morning cereal, coffee, smoothies, or baking recipes. Enjoy fortified orange juice by itself, or use it in smoothies for a refreshing and vitamin-packed drink. 3. Tofu and Tempe. Tofu and tempeh are great options for getting your calcium and protein intake. They're made from soybeans and pack a nutritious punch. Tofu's calcium content can differ based on the coagulant used during production. Tofu made with calcium sulfate can give you around 350 milligrams of calcium in just half a cup. Soy products are super flexible and can be used in all sorts of dishes, which is why they're a go-to for many vegans and vegetarians. They're also complete proteins, giving you all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. Throw some tofu into your stir-fries, soups, or salads. You can marinate and grill tempeh, use it in sandwiches, or add it to pasta dishes for a nutrient boost. 4. Almonds and almond butter. Almonds are not just delicious to munch on, but they also pack a punch when it comes to calcium content. You can get around 76 milligrams of calcium from just 1 ounce of almonds, which is about 23 almonds. Almond butter is also packed with calcium and can be a tasty addition to a variety of meals. Almonds are not just a good source of calcium, but they also provide healthy fats, protein, vitamin E, and magnesium, which all contribute to your overall health. You can easily add almonds and almond butter to a variety of dishes, whether they're sweet or savory. They're also great for your heart because they're packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Have a few almonds for a snack. Toss them into your muesli or try almond butter in smoothies, on toast, or in baking. 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are small but packed with nutrients, including a significant amount of calcium. A single ounce of chia seeds, equivalent to about 2 tablespoons, provides approximately 179 milligrams of calcium. This amount accounts for roughly 18% of the recommended daily intake. These seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Put chia seeds into your smoothies or yogurt. They can also be used to create chia pudding by soaking them in plant milk overnight, resulting in a tasty and nutritious breakfast or snack. That's all we have for you in today's video. Is there any other diet plan you would like us to cover? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to click that notification bell to get notified when we drop new videos and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.